If you have been thinking about gardening, but you feel like you can't garden because you don't have a lot of space, I want to encourage you to not let that be a hindrance to start gardening, because there are different ways that you can grow. If you have a balcony, just like what I have right here, this is our deck. I actually start growing a lot of fruits and veggies in this deck, and if I can do it, you can as well. I want to show you today that there's a simple setup that you can do to grow in a small space, even if you have less than 2 square feet of space. Over time, I've learned that it's not about how much space you have, it's about how you use it. That's where vertical gardening really changed everything for me. Instead of growing out, you grow up. And one of the simplest ways to do that is with a GreenStalk planter. It only takes up about 2 square feet of space, but you can grow 30 or more plants in that small footprint. And what I love is that you have options depending on what you want to grow. The leaf planter has a 7-inch depth, which is perfect for herbs, leafy greens, and shallow-rooted plants. And the original planters have 10-inch pockets, which give you more flexibility for larger plants. I mean, people have grown so many incredible plants in that size of planters. They also come in different styles like the basic and basket weave patterns, and so many fun colors to choose from. I personally chose the neutral stunning stone color because it fits my space and my style, but you can be as bold or as fun as you want with yours. And it's not just a planter. There are so many accessories that make gardening easier. You can add wheels or a spinner so you can rotate your planter for even sunlight. There are plant supports, covers, and other add-ons that can help protect your plants and make your setup more efficient. But what really makes this stand out from other vertical planters is GreenStalk's patented design allows you to water from the top, and it distributes fresh water evenly to every single tier, so you don't have to go pocket by pocket trying to water each plant. It saves time and makes the whole process so much easier. Another thing I really appreciate is how accessible it is. Everything is within reach, which makes it great if you don't want to bend down as much or if you have limited mobility. You're truly maximizing your vertical space while keeping things simple and manageable. And if you've been thinking about getting one, this is actually a really good time. They're currently running a Mother's Day sale with $50 off their 3, 5, and 7 tier planters. They also have a bundle called the Flourish Gift Bundle, which includes a 5-tier planter, a spinner with wheels, a garden lid, trellis, plant guide, and even a coloring book. So if you've been thinking about starting a garden or just maximizing your space a little more, this is a great opportunity. And just to share, I'm an affiliate partner, which means I may earn a small commission if you decide to purchase through my link or code at no extra cost to you. You can stack my code GINGER for $10 off $75 order on top of their existing discount. Your support truly helps me continue creating content like this, so thank you so much. And honestly, if this has been on your wish list, this might be your sign. So I actually harvested some of the bok choy already, but as you can see, I still have more to harvest here. I basically have a GreenStalk full of bok choy, and I wanted to do that this year because I want to be able to preserve some. This is one of my favorite leafy greens, and I don't mind eating these every day, honestly. So don't let a small space hold you back from gardening. There are different ways to do it, and one of it is by using a GreenStalk garden. And if you have any question about it, feel free to message me or leave a comment. That's basically what I have for today. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.